we had done about binary file. What is binary file? And then I told we are having two methods to perform reading and writing in binary file. One was using function encode and decode. Okay? In that way, we were not using any module. And another one is the pickle module, Pickle. Everything you have done already, only one statement will change, nothing else. Right? But before that, I will discuss one point, that is exception handling. So first of all, what is exception? Like if I'm writing print A, right? Now I'm running this code. Name error is coming. This is different type of errors. It is not defined, right? Now, if I am doing like this, A is equal to 9, and here I forgot to give bracket. Let's see what type of error will come. See, syntax error. Yes, so we are having different type of error. Syntax error, logical error. What is logical error? Any idea? Syntax error means a particular language is having some syntax to follow. Like in English language, every statement in a paragraph, you are writing some statement or lines. These should be ended by dot. Dot means next line will start, and always the first character of the line should be capital. Yes or no? That is the syntax of English language, right? Another syntax is like if you want to mention he is Ram. Can you write he Ram is? No, there also you need to follow some syntax. First pronoun, then helping verb, then object, subject, helping verb, object. Some grammar rules you are having. In the similar way, every programming language is also having some grammar rule or some syntax that you will have to follow. Like if you are writing def function, here colon will come. If colon you will not give, that will be considered as a syntax error. Second type of error is logical error. For example, 80, I want to print product of these two number, and by mistake what I did is A plus B. I was telling you to print product of these two number, but you were writing program in hurry burry, and what you did, irrespective of multiplication, you have written plus. In case of the syntax error, you have seen output will not come at all, right? But in this case, output will come, but not the right output. See, output is coming, but this is not the right output. It means there is some mistake in logic of the program. For example, I want to enter 5 records, right? So what I will do, one for loop I will use for I in range, and here I have written 4, though I want to enter 5 records, and here you can ask the record to enter. How many times my loop will run?
थ्री टाइम्स।
Why 3 times?
क्योंकि स्टार्ट स्टॉप स्टॉप होता है तो वो n+1 होता है ना, तो n तक जाता है।
नहीं बेटा जी, it will start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 time it will run.
ओके मैम।
Okay, no? So 4 time it will run, but I was telling you to run your loop 5 times. So here, just instead of 5, you have written 4. Output will come, everything will go fine, only some minor mistake. There is a mistake in logic of the program. Irrespective of running your for loop 5 times, you are running your for loop 4 times. Right? So one is the syntax error, second one is the logical error, and third one are the runtime error. Runtime error means at the time of execution these errors will come. How? Let's see. A is equal to int input enter value of A. Okay. In the similar way, I will take value of B. And I want to divide A by B. So D is equal to A divided by B. And print D. Let's run this one. 34, 7. Answer is this one. Right? Because you have studied in the lower classes. Dividend and divider. Divider cannot be 0. It means B cannot be 0. You have not given any warning also. So, any person who don't know this, that divider cannot be 0, he can give 0 also. Like A, 23. For example, I have given 0. So see what is coming. 0 division error. You cannot divide by 0. When this error is coming, when your program was executing and you are providing value as 0. Thirty-four. Here I have given 0. 0 division error. Output is coming means you are in the execution phase. At the time of, if syntax error is there, now you tell me syntax error is the runtime error. Is it runtime error, syntax error? What do you think about syntax error? Yes or no? Or what do you think?
मैम इट इज नॉट।
It is not runtime error. Why? Because till the time your program is having syntax error, it will not go to the execution phase. That you know, right? It means syntax error is not the runtime error. It means it is not exception. The errors which are coming at runtime or the execution time, or which is depending upon the value what you are providing, that is called exception, or runtime error are called exception. Now what is happening in case of exception? Red color code is coming. When you were executing your program at that time, red color code is coming. Right now, because you are the programmer, you can understand this one. Is zero division error where I have done mistake, you can understand, right? But if any bio student is sitting, for example, um, you have created one user interface like calculator, two boxes are there. Wait. For example, here a means in this box you will enter value of a. Second one is this one. Here you will enter the value of b, and then you are having all the buttons. Plus button, right? Here minus button, like in the calculator you are having divide button. Like divide button we are having. And for example, this is the box for result. So a value you will enter, b value you will enter. Means using Python language, what you have done, you have created one application. In this application you have provided three box. In two box you will enter the value, then you will press the button and result will come into the result button, or sorry, text box. Now if bio student is handling this one, they don't know what is Python language, what is the exception, what is the error, how to read error. They don't know anything, right? Like in your mobile phone you are also installing many web applications. When something wrong is happening, then technical error what is coming in their interface, that they are not showing to you. They are simply giving a message to you which you can understand. Sometime Google, if internet is not working, right? Then at the back end some other error is coming. But will you understand that error? No. Instead of giving that error to you, what they will give a simple message to you: internet is not working, or web server is not available now, or server is busy. Maybe at the backend anything else is happening, but for the user to make them satisfy, simply they will give a message: server is down, server is not working, try later, some message that you can understand. So in the similar way, if any bio student is handling this application, and if a is equal to 2 student has given, b is equal to 0 student has given, here red color code will come: zero division error. That student will not understand. Or this is a very basic example I have taken. By the name itself you can understand, but we are having some exception that by name you cannot understand unless you are the programmer. So how to replace that red code with my code? That is called exception handling. Instead of giving that red color code, I can give please do not enter 0 in B. That message is good irrespective of red color code. Meaning of red color code is your program is not executing at all. But when you will give your code, it means your program is executing. Instead of error, you are giving some other message. That is called exception handling. If there is a chance of any runtime error in your program, runtime error means exception. If there is any chance of exception in your program, you should know how to handle it, how to give a appropriate message to the user irrespective of red color code. Red color code means your web application will stop in between. If you are having any web application in your mobile phone and all of a sudden it is going to stop, something happened and it gave some red color code and after that it stops, what will you think? You will uninstall that web application. Instead of that, if your web application giving a message like server is busy, please try after 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes you will wait, but at least you will not uninstall. Like to the ATM machines you are going, that also a web application or one program. If money is not there, simply one message they are giving, no, ATM is not working or out of service. But simply if you are doing and money is not there, simply it is stopping, then what will you think about the ATM machine? You don't know what happened. So instead of technical error, we want to give a proper message so that user will understand what mistake I have done and how to correct it. That is called exception handling. So let's see how to do it. Now, in which code error is coming? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines we are having. Where is the chance that error can come?
Second line.
Second line, okay. Actually, not the second line. This is third line, right? If you will enter the value of B0, next line it will execute. When you are dividing at that time you need to check. So we will find out the code where exception can come. That code we will put into try block. So we are having how to handle exception. Exception. How to do try except block. Now problem is with the third line, so try if error is coming in this case, what should I do? That we will write in except block. So here you can give your message B cannot be 0. Try again. Let's see how it will go. Value of A 56. Value of B 4. My program is running normal. Let's run it again. 56. Here I have given 0. Now see. Did you mean ID? Okay, wait. Value of A 56. Value of B 0. Now see what is coming. Irrespective of red color code, what is coming? B cannot be 0. Try again. If I am not putting into this one into try block, what will happen? See, this code is coming. Now if we are doing like this, expected intended block. Okay, irrespective of error, we are handling it. Or you can execute another code also, irrespective of giving a message. So, hope so you are having the idea of exception now and how to do it using try except block. Any doubt in it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the binary file then. That is the last topic of your file handling. Like when we were using encode and decode function. Encode means you are converting your text data into binary data and then writing into the file. That is called encoding. And what is decoding? Reverse process. Converting the binary data. Actually, binary data is called byte stream. You know, no, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. When many bytes are there, then it is called byte stream. One character is equal to how many bytes? Means if I am storing one character, for example A, to store this character, how many bytes are required? Can anyone tell? One byte. Mostly one byte. Or if you are storing any integer value, to store any integer value, either you need 2 byte or 4 byte. If you are having floating point value, for this we need 4 bytes. If you have written A equal to 56, right? So how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I am seeing it like a characters, but anyway, leave it not as a character. A is character only, alphabet. So it need 1 byte. Then equal is coming. Equal is the special character. Special character means for this also I need 1 byte. Then 56, it is an integer value. For that we need 2 byte. It means this line need 4 bytes total. That is called byte stream. So encoding means converting your string data into byte stream and then writing into the file. What is decoding? Converting byte stream back to the original data so that you can understand. Now, second method is using pickle module. So first I need to import pickle. Now two terms will come, pickling and unpickling. Pickling क्या होता है? Pickling होता है converting your data into byte stream. What is unpickling? That is the reverse process of pickling. Unpickling means converting your byte stream into normal data or text data. So when we are writing into the file, we will do pickling. When we are reading from the file, we will do unpickling. Right? So let's see how to write record. What is the first step? Creating file. Demo.dat. What will come? Because I want to write into my file, binary file. So wb. Now first of all, what we are going to write? Title. It will take either list or tuple. So here you will give name and marks. Now how to write title into my file? Pickle dot dump. डंप करेंगे किसको? टाइटल को. किस में करेंगे? F में. So your title is written into the file. After that records you want to enter. How many records? Ask from the user. How many records you want to enter? Done. So those many times we need a loop. What we will take? We will take name, we will take marks, floating, right? Then we will make our record nm comma mk. Our record is ready. Now dump this one into file. So pickle dot dump किसको करना है? रिकॉर्ड को. किसमें करना है? F में. So outside the for loop you can give a message print records are entered. So like that you can write into your binary file. Differences, we are using module pickle, then we are using function dump which is taking two arguments. First one, what you want to dump. Second argument is where you want to dump. Any doubt in it? अंशु, अंजलि, इसमें कोई डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
Very easy, right? CSV you have done, text file you have done. All things are same. You just need to have a presence of mind when you are attempting. That should be on your fingertips. Like in binary file, how many ways we are having, which function are used, which module is used. In CSV, what is required, so easily you can do. So run करेंगे इसको. Two records. Records are entered. No error came. It means my file is created. Anyhow, this one, that file. Not visible. Let me see the code. Okay, first write how to read. When I am reading, no, let me see whether we are getting record or not. So how to read? Open your file in read mode. What is the reason records are not visible there? Can
हमने
anyone
फाइल
tell?
हम क्लोज नहीं
वेरी गुड, हमने फाइल को क्लोज नहीं किया, तो सारा डाटा कहाँ पड़ा हुआ है? बफर में. तो रिकॉर्ड सेंटर करेंगे एस टी, ये देखिए, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
कंटेंट आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हो ना। ठीक है, तो बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं होता कि बाइनरी फाइल विल बी इन 0 and 1, ऐसा नहीं होता। यहाँ पे ये देखो कौन सा कोडिंग स्कीम यूज कर रहा है, बॉटम पे देखिए, इज इट विजिबल? ANSI। Let's see how to read. If I am going to the file and try to reading, I'm not able to understand, right? Because my data is pickled, then it is written into the file. Now I need to do unpickle, then I will be able to understand. See, for writing, we are having only one function, that is dump. We are not having any write line, write lines, nothing. If you are using pickle module, which function you are having? Dump, right? So when we are reading, only one function we are having, that is called load function. When you were dumping line by line. Have you seen? First of all, you have dumped title, then all the records one by one. In the similar way, when you will read from the file, you will read one by one. It means when we were using read function, if you remember, we were reading whole file at once. That is not possible. We will have to read record by record, line by line. Your pickle or load function can read only one object at a time. Record, I am referring object. It means I need for loop. And in binary file, no, we are having one problem. We are not having end of file character. So exception will come. Let's see. I will take record is equal to pickle dot load and in bracket F. Right? While record not equal to blank, what we will do? Print record and this is initialization, this is condition. Again, to take the next record, what you will write? This one. Let's see what will happen. See what error is coming. End of file error. Ran out of input. So this is the exception actually. So how to handle it? We will put our code into try block. Try. एक्सेप्ट में क्या लिखेंगे? You can write pass means no action should be taken, or you can give a message whole file is done. So let's do it now. See, everything came. So when you are reading from your binary file using load function, you need to use try except block, because we are getting exception ran out of input. End of file error. That is the name of exception. That was zero division error. In Viva, they are asking the question, what is exception? Can you give me example of any two exception? So one is zero division error. Another one I have shown to you, end of file error. Why that error was coming? Because you were not able to reach end of the file. Because in binary file we are not having end of file character. Like end of line character, we are having new line character, no? In the similar way, we are having end of file character, which will show that your file is ending here. But we are not having end of file error. No, sorry, end of file character in binary file. That's why this error is coming, EOF error. So please note down somewhere what is exception. That definition I have given to you. Runtime error is called exception. And if anybody is asking, can you give me the two names of exception? One is EOF error, another one is the zero division error. So like that we can do reading and writing in binary file. Any doubt in reading and writing?
Ma'am.
So should we do one question on the basis of the binary file? This is similar to CSV file. Only difference is how you are writing, how you are reading. Because in binary file we are not having end of file character, so we can get a exception ran out of input. Means nothing is there, file is empty. Or after 3 or 4 record, we are not able to recognize where my file is finished. That's why we need to use try and except block for handling that exception. Name of the exception is EOF, end of file error. Let's see one question. See this question. 40, 5 number का क्वेश्चन है. Given a binary file employee.dat which is having the structure employee ID, name, salary, तीन चीजें हैं उसमें. Write a function in Python, count cell, name of the function is given in Python that would read content of the file and display the detail of those employees whose salary is greater than 20,000. It is not writing to write anything into the file. It is telling only reading, right? What is the name of the file? emp.dat. What is the name of the function? Count salary. And it is telling to display the detail of those employees. So how? The count cell. Done. We need to open our file in read mode. Name of the file is given. This is the outer structure of my question, right? Now what will I do? R is equal to pickle dot load. What we are loading? F. Now try block. In try we will write the whole code while R not equal to blank. What we are supposed to do? It is telling print record of those employees who are having salary greater than 20,000. So I need to see at one place, what place salary is coming. Salary is ID, name, salary. It means 0, 1, 2. So if R2, here also what we will do? We need to convert it into integer. If it is greater than 20,000, what we will print? Print R. Yes or no? And here we will do same line we will repeat to take the next record. Correct? So hardly 6 or 7 lines. And how many marks they are giving? 5 marks. Any doubt? Deepika, Anjali और कौन है मीटिंग में? अंशु, Tasmia, Prachi, Drishti. I'm asking everyone. Now we will see or part. See, a binary file, name of the file is given, has structure roll number, name, marks. It means in that you need to write roll number, name and marks. पहला क्या पूछ रहा है? What is the first question? Write a function in Python. Name of the function is add record to input data for the record and add to this one. Can you do this part? Name of the function is given. Name of the file is given. You will take roll number, name and marks from the user and will write into your file. Can you do that thing? Yes, students, please reply. Arey, at least tell me, no, I will do. Import pickle. Name of the file is stu dat w. What they are telling to write roll number, name and marks. So here roll number, name and marks. Dump kiya, how many records you want to enter. Then you will ask roll number also. Done. Record is also ready. Record you will dump into your file, that's all. This is the first part. Because we are supposed to write in a function add record, no? So here we will write def add record. Indentation will come. And after that you call this function. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now come to second portion. Write a function in Python search record to search a record from this on the basis of the roll number. What it is telling, you are supposed to search record means display that record on the basis of roll number. Means I will give you the roll number, you just give me the detail of that student. So name of the function will be def search record. I will open my file in. Name of the file was stu.dat. So stu will come here. First record को load किया, try while because we are supposed to provide roll number. So rn is equal to int input enter roll number, right? So here what will come? Try block, then inside that while block, irrespective of which record we will print, if int roll number is first one, if int record 0 is equal to rn, rn you will provide, right? So print your record. That's all. On the basis of the question, one or two statement will change, remaining lines will remain same. if they are asking you to enter the data into file or to write the data into the file, only then you will write. Otherwise, simply read means search. So any doubt in this binary file?
No, ma'am.
No. So we will see next paper. Are you able to do or not? Now you will go through the paper and you will see how many marks, for how many marks you are prepared now. May according to me 15 to 20 marks out of 70 you can do. Read this question 40. If you are not understanding anything, at least you can do this one. What is the name of the function here? S count. Next one, they are talking about which file. Name of the file is names.dat, and they are telling you to read the content. It means in read mode you will open your file. So f is equal to open. Name of the file is names.dat, comma, which mode? RB. If you have opened the file, you need to close it, right? At least that you can do. It is telling name and display the number of record. Number of record means you are counting. So count is equal to 0. Right? Now how to read from the file? So R is equal to pickle dot load. Done. Because you are using pickle module, so try while R not equal to blank. What we are supposed to do? Display number of record where name begins from S in it. It means in my file only names are given. Sachin, Amita, Mansushil, Deepak, Harishankar. Then can I write here if R 0 is equal to double S, only then I need to do count is equal to count plus 1. My action is done. Now the turn of updation. R is equal to pickle dot load is the initialization, while R is equal to blank is the condition. Now the action part we have done. Last statement of while loop is updation, right? So in updation, what we are doing? We are updating the, or we are loading the next record. Done. And out.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's come to the, this is CSV file question. That also you can do, right? CSV file question. Most probably 99% one question in CSV and this one binary. One will come as a fill in the blanks, another question will come as a full question you will have to write, or full answer you will have to write. Read this question and tell me, can you do by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Both question?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
मैम
us.
इसमें कंडीशन लगाएंगे 25,000 से 30 के बीच में, तो कंडीशन क्या होगी?
वो कंडीशन क्या होगी? Because every record is a dictionary, right? So our salary, in that case, because it was a list, you were writing R0, R1, R2. It is a dictionary. So what you will take, if our salary is greater than 25,000 and our salary is less than 30,000.
ओके मैम.
Understood, no? What
यस
should
मैम.
we write this question? Okay, let's write this question. See, it is not telling you to write into the file. It is telling only create a. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. We need to create. Consider a binary file having record in the form of the dictionary. Okay, no need to create. Already it is there. Write a Python function to display the record of our file for those employees whose salary between this one. Very easy. Def, name of the function is not given, so any function you can give, means any name you can give. Done. Now we need to open our file. F is equal to open. Then F dot close. Name of the file and name of the file have they given emp.dat, and here read mode. Done. Now first record is equal to pickle dot होने अभी जो क्लास खत्म होने पे आया है f, because it will give exception, so we will go for try and accept. See, try, accept, color of def, try, accept, these are keyword. While, if, orange color. So while record not equal to blank, what we are supposed to do? If. Now record is not a list, it is a dictionary. So I need to write if record in bracket, what is the key? Key is this one, you see, ENO, name, SAL. So here what will come? SAL. If it is greater than 25,000, and same you write here. If it is less than 30,000, then what we are supposed to do? To display the record, display. It means I need to do print record. Done. My action part is done. So now updation. Updation will be with the same statement. That's all. In accept you will write anything, you can write. If you don't want to do anything, one word you can write pass. Pass means nothing to do. Pass is also a keyword. So in Vava can we ask, can you give me the example of 2 keyword, 5 keyword? Can you write 5 keyword? So these things should be in your mind. Def, if, while, try, accept. These are keywords. Acha, tell me, every time when I am taking variable a is equal to some value I need to give, right? Otherwise you can't write only a. If I don't want to give any value, then what should I do? I want to create one variable without giving any value to it. Can I do? If I will write print a, it will give error because a is not defined. It means to define I need to give some value 45, but I don't want to give any value. I don't know. So you tell me, can I do definition of a variable without giving any value? Should I keep it blank? Any idea? Anyone? How can we do?
हम ब्लैंक छोड़ सकते हैं.
No, 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 blank नहीं छोड़ सकते. So we will use keyword none. A is equal to None means no value is given to A. Okay? So none is also a keyword. Now next come to the next question. One more question paper we will see. Remaining question paper you will see, and tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you will tell me the any doubt if you are having.
मैम हमने इससे जो पहले प्रोग्राम लिखा था उसमें हमने एक्सेप्ट क्यों नहीं यूज किया?
हाँ जी,
हम इस वाले प्रोग्राम पहले जो प्रोग्राम लिखा
बेटा मेरे को आवाज़ क्लियर नहीं आ रही है आपकी।
जो
ऐसा
इस अभी जो था इससे पहले एक और प्रोग्राम लिखा था, तो उसके अंदर ट्राई के बाद हमने ना एक्सेप्ट यूज नहीं किया था, वो क्यों नहीं किया था?
ओ, मैंने बाय मिस्टेक नहीं किया होगा। ट्राई के साथ हमेशा एक्सेप्ट आएगा।
क्या मैम?
ठीक है, यहाँ पर, हाँ यहाँ पे नहीं किया था ना। एक्सेप्ट लिखना ही लिखना है, जैसे ओपन क्लोज होता है ना, ऐसे ट्राई एक्सेप्ट साथ साथ चलते हैं। तो यहाँ पे पास लिख के छोड़ दो। ठीक है, अभी आएंगे हम नेक्स्ट पेपर पे। तो अभी आप क्या करेंगे, आपके सिलेबस का यूनिट 1 देखेंगे, उसमें मेरे को बताएंगे कि क्या कोई टॉपिक रह गया है। तो जैसे ही स्कूल आपका ओपन होगा, मैं आपकी 3rd यूनिट पे जाऊंगी, डाटाबेस पे। और जो आपका यूनिट टेस्ट का सिलेबस होगा वो भी आप देख लेना, बहुत कम है, फाइल हैंडलिंग नहीं है उसमें। तो आपको उसके लिए भी प्रिपेयर करना है, क्योंकि वो मार्क्स आपका दिल्ली जो भी होता है आपका डिपार्टमेंट, वहाँ पे जाएगा। ये तो CSV का क्वेश्चन है जो हम कर भी चुके। ये क्वेश्चन देखिए, 40, क्वेश्चन नंबर 40। क्या आप खुद से कर सकते हैं? बताइए, हो जाएगा?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
जो इसका सेकंड पार्ट है, बी पोर्शन, राइट अ यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन नेम्ड सम सैलरी, पोस्ट विल एक्सेप्ट एन आर्ग्यूमेंट, मीन्स पोस्ट आप आर्ग्यूमेंट की तरह पास करोगे। फिर जब आप कंपैरिजन करोगे ना, इफ रिकॉर्ड 0 1 2, if record 2 is equal to this argument post, here for example here salary, no, post will come here. Then you will do if record 0 1 2, if it is equal to this post which is coming as an argument. That is the meaning of this thing. Post will come as a argument, right? And then post you will ask here. And then you will pass this post here when you are calling the function. Understood? If anything is coming as argument, it means outside the function you need to take input. क्वेश्चन को रीड कर लीजिए. राइट अ यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शन नेम्ड सम सैलरी पोस्ट that will accept an argument, the post of employees. Read the content of this one and calculate sum of the salary of all the employees of that post. It means I will do here sum is equal to 0. If it is equal to post, then what we are supposed to do? Sum is equal to sum plus record salary. Salary is coming at 0 1 2 3. Yes. Any doubt? Understood? It will require practice, practice, practice. 3 to 4 question at least you are supposed to do. And after that easily you can get 12 to 15 marks. See, text file in front of you, I have shown you text file is coming of 3 marks. Binary file or CSV file, one question 4 marks, another question 5 marks. So 9 plus 3, total 12 marks is coming from the topic file handling. And in the very beginning you will be having 18 question MCQ. There also 2 question will come from file handling. Like sometime they will ask module, sometime they will ask what, which mode. Like I will show you. In the very beginning you will be having 18 question MCQ. In those 18 question also 2 questions will come from file handling. See, identify the invalid keyword in Python. Can you tell me the answer of first question? Identify the invalid keyword. Which is invalid? Keyword. None is a keyword or not?
कीवर्ड है.
कीवर्ड है क्योंकि अभी बताया था मैंने. और अगर मैं इंपोर्ट को देखूं, इंपोर्ट देखो हमारे उसमें ऑरेंज कलर है. ये देखो इंपोर्ट क्या है, वो भी कीवर्ड है. और अगर हम लिखते हैं ट्रू, वो क्या है? कीवर्ड. अगर हम लिखते हैं फॉल्स, वो भी कीवर्ड है. तो कीवर्ड कौन सा नहीं है? देखो जरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर. कौन सा कीवर्ड नहीं है बताओ मेरे को.
रिटर्न.
रिटर्न. वन सेकेंड देखेंगे. आई थिंक रिटर्न आंसर नहीं है. यस, रिटर्न नहीं. सी, उन्होंने इंपोर्ट कैसे लिखा है? दे हैव रिटर्न इंपोर्ट एज They are very clever. Capital I. Small I import is a keyword, but they have written capital I. So import is not a keyword. अभी आप देखिए थर्ड क्वेश्चन, वो फाइल पे बेस है. Write the importance of passing file mode while declaring the file object in data file handling. They are asking what is the purpose of mode. एक नंबर में क्वेश्चन आ गया. क्या पर्पस होता है मोड का? क्यों लिखते हैं हम रीड राइट? Because mode only will tell we are opening our file in read for reading purpose or writing purpose. Example, if I have opened my file in read mode, I cannot write into it. Understood? Maybe the case for my file I am giving you access only for reading, not writing. Like PDF file, have you seen? Can you write into it? No, only read. So mode will decide in which mode you are opening the file. So see, one more question, then one more question definitely will be there. नहीं है. This is different pattern, but yes, at least one or two question will come in MCQ also. It means total from file handling total how many marks? 13 to 14 marks on an average you will get from file handling topic. ठीक है? And if I am going to your syllabus, this is your syllabus. Alright? So see, revision of the Python topic that will continue. Already we have done functions, then exception handling I have given to you some information like try except block, then text file, binary file, CSV file. This one is very small topic, relative and absolute path, that you just whenever you will be having any extra class, additional class, no, that time you tell me, I will tell you, just 2 minutes topic. Text file we have done, binary file we have done, CSV we have done, data structure we have done. Data structure also 3 mark question. So first unit around 25 to 30 marks, because from function also you will get many questions. This is theoretical, you can do by yourself. And let's see. And database I will start when we will start school. Now 2 more classes I will take.